welcome to Mindful Creative Muse, where we help you tap into your creativity, de-stress, and express. Today we'll be exploring a flip through of one of my intuitive collage journals. This is about a 5x7, and you may have seen other videos that explore Soul Collage. If you haven't, I encourage you to take a look at that. Soul Collage is an intuitive collage process, and it generally does not include words, and there's usually a writing process at the end or afterwards to help you integrate the cards and have some deeper reflection about the cards. So in some instances, you can see there's torn paper around the edges. This is just with pen and ink. And after the image is created, there's some short reflection and writing. In that case, it was poetry. Again, with the torn edges, you can have it cover one page. It can cover across the spine of the book, as you can see here on this spread. And this is actually several images, so each person is a separate image. This is here is an image and the background, so really exploring how you can piece different elements together, being really playful and curious. There's no real right or wrong way to explore this, and the writing is just for you, so it's personal. It might be journaling, it might be poetry, you may explore prompts. So this is just a quick flip through one of very many different intuitive collage journals and writings. I'll be sharing more as we go along here on the channel regarding prompts that you can explore as you create an intuitive collage journal, so be sure to check back and subscribe. And if there's anything specifically you'd like to see or any questions, please definitely leave those in the comments, and I'll see you next time.